when I tilt my head up and look at it, it looks kind of patchy, like there's, like it's just clinging in different spots. Hey guys, welcome back. It's Maddie. Today, I'm a little late to the game on this one. 6 months or so late, but I finally got my hands on the Jackie Aina palette. So if you want to see how that goes, it's upside down, I'm sorry. Let's get started. Okay, so for those of you who don't know, Miss Jackie Aina did a collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills last year during like Palette Gate, where there were a million palettes launched at once. And this one, that was just paper, don't worry. I love Jackie Aina. I love her videos. I love everything she does. I think she's hilarious and funny. This is what the palette looks like. It's gorgeous, you know. That's her little signature right on top. And then the inside looks like this. Wow. This is actually my first time opening it up and seeing it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I am so excited. So there's already a bunch of swatch videos, so I'm not going to go through all of that and do all of that shebang. But I just wanted to create a look with it today and give you guys my thoughts. I'm already pretty sure I'm going to love it. I have a couple... No, I just have one. I just have the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I love it. I love the formula, so I'm not worried. Why won't this peel up? I want to do some peel porn. There we go. Okay. So I'm not really worried about liking the formula. I pretty much know I'm gonna like it, so spoiler alert. But I guess we will see. There was this one, I noticed this too in all of the videos, like this looks like a matte, but it's a shimmer, and it's actually a duochrome, so it's, I don't even know where it is on here because I'm so pale. But we might be playing with that one. I know I'm rambling, I just don't know where to start with this because there's so much beauty. Well, you know, I also know this is going to be very pigmented because it was formulated for someone with darker skin than me. So let's see here. So I'm going to go into, I feel like I'm committing very intensely. Let's go into Supreme, and all my brushes are clean. They're just a little stained. And I'm going to be packing that in to my inner crease and corner. I wish I grabbed a smaller brush, but you know what, we can't go back in time. I've already committed. Just trying to keep it a little bit low. Then, since I already took more than I intended. And, you know, it's not actually like as pigmented as I thought it was going to be. Like, I thought I was going to be taking too much, and I am being cautious. Like, I didn't want to take too much, but I thought I was going to be like, pow, hit in the face. But I guess this is supposed to be one of the softer shades in the palette. So that would make sense that it's not going to be over the top. Kapow. And I will blend this all out later. Just laying down some color to start us off. Okay, next I want to go into Pinker, which kind of reminds me of the, not satin, the sequin formula in Tati's palette. Like, it has a little bit of sparkle in it, but it doesn't look like it's going to be like a shimmer shade. Like, that's probably not going to transfer onto the eye. It's just to help with blendability. Yeah, like that's a really nice shade. And Jess just opened the door and then was like, nope. You didn't really want to come in. That's okay, Jess. But, okay, so it looks like Supreme and Pinker are both blending really nicely together. I'm going to have to take another brush and, like, really fine-tune that line blending together, but I'm not seeing, like, the formula is refusing to stick together, which is really nice to see, especially since Pinker does look like it has some shimmer in it. It's very clearly a different formula than Supreme, so it's nice to see that the formulas chosen are compatible. Yeah. So then I'm just going to go back into the brush that I had Supreme in and just kind of run up between the two to blend it out. Not picking up any additional product. Just kind of blending to make that more seamless. Okay, I'm really close to you guys, that's okay. I'm much happier with how that's looking now, yeah. And then I want to go into so many choices. I'm gonna go into edges with this like orangey brown and exact same thing. I don't know if it bugs you guys, there's a lot of kick up in the pan, but they're pressed powders, like that's kind of how that works. It's not like a subculture type thing where I'm gonna hit pan in 2 seconds, but this one's not, oh yeah, that's fine. I thought it wasn't sticking as well, but it is definitely sticking just fine. And I want to kind of blend that, just really keeping that rounded shape. Like when I tilt my head up and look at it, it looks kind of patchy, like it's just clinging in different spots, but I'm pretty sure it's just my blending. But we will take a smaller brush and explore that further. Because I haven't really done much blending at all. I've mostly just done packing at this point, so that would make sense. Wait, nothing's blended together. So I'm going to go back in with the brush that had Supreme on it and just kind of drag that across the whole crease at this point to blend all 3 colors together. And we'll do the same thing on this side. Just the windshield wiper motions. I don't know, can you guys see that? Like, it looks, maybe I'll just add more Supreme, see if that helps here. I don't know why it's just coming off so patchy. Like, I don't really get it. I'm going to try and blend out the edges, and there's not really a light enough shade for me to really buff. So I'm just going to use a brush with no product on it. Just do small circular motions, and I also brought this up higher than I wanted to. So there's that. Okay, I think that definitely looks better, but I don't know, maybe it's just the lighting in here. But now the eyeshadow is brought up way higher than I wanted it to be. Okay, let's take another one. I'm going to take a small brush. I'm going to go into Big Wig, which is the purple, and purples are hard, so this will be interesting. And I'm going to put that on my outer V. Like, I don't know if you guys can see how patchy it looks. Like, it's clinging here, it's clinging here, here, here. The purple's working okay though, Big Wig. And I used concealer as a base. Maybe this is one where you need to use an eyeshadow primer. Okay, let's not abandon it yet. Let's go in. Is it too weird if let's go in with, well, let's just do my lower lash line first. That's easier. That's easier. Let's go in with Supreme again. That pink, and just smoke out the bottom lash line. Okay, and now with my finger, I'm gonna go into Zam and just pack that on the lid. That's a drier metallic than I was expecting. It still looks beautiful on the eye, like absolutely. It just is drier than I was expecting. Nothing wrong with that. I was expecting like a really soft metallic. Okay, that's pretty. Took it up a little bit higher than I wanted to. Story of my life today. So I'm just gonna blend that. Oh, there we go, perfect. I just want to use my finger and go into Trust Issues, and I'm just gonna pat that right on the center. That's pretty. It's really pretty. And we'll say now it's kind of like changed the color of my shadow in my pan, which is my fault. Like I should have wiped. I used a different finger between shadows, but I should have wiped off my finger between applications, I guess. But that Trust Issues is gorgeous. Let me do some liner and lashes and we'll take another look at this. Okay, I'm back and I finished my face. The lip I'm wearing is by Smashbox. It's their Always On Liquid Lipstick in Stepping Out. I really like the color. So a couple things as I was doing my liner and lashes, mascara, the whole shebang. So obviously when I'm doing that, I have a very up close mirror, right? It looks great in my up close mirror. Like it looks so seamless and nicely blended. And in the viewfinder, it looks nice, and then I look in the mirror and I see patches. So what that tells me is I need to look at this again. So this is going to be a 2-day review. So I'm going to use this again tomorrow. I'm going to wear it with me to work, see what my coworkers think, and ask them if they think it's patchy or if my mirror here is psycho. Because, I don't know, sorry, I got some mascara here, and I was like, I'm only going to be wearing this for like 2 hours at my house. So I'm not going to fix it really, but I'm going to give you guys the up close. And so that'll also help me when I'm editing if I see the patchiness on the footage. That was a loud clap. But I guess that is it for right now. And this is going to set my filming schedule back, but it's okay because I really want to know what's going on here. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I just realized that I never filmed today, but I did do my makeup. Sorry for the lighting. I just got to the gym and it's horrible. My face is wearing off, but definitely less patchiness today. I wore the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer and I think that really made a difference, like significantly. So I loved it today. Like, I don't know if you can really see, and it still held up pretty nicely. The shimmer's transferred. I have hooded eyes. That happens, but oh gosh, I'm so sorry for the lighting. But yeah, I think I loved the palette overall. Doing it with an eye primer, I would definitely recommend, not a concealer. I think I fell into the trap of it getting stuck on one of the moist parts and then not blending well and applying too much product and getting cakey, and it was bad. So use an eye primer and don't use too much product at once. That would be my recommendations. I look so greasy. But yes, that is all for this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I post new videos every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at noon. I would love to see you back for that one. And yeah, let me know any future products you want me to try out, because I love trying new products. So thank you guys, and I'll see you all on the next one, okay?